I think the reason I came is that there's an increasing awareness that fan design within data centres is vital for energy efficiency. Obviously, ebm-papst are focusing on this area. They're experts in this particular technology, and particularly the EC technology. So it's really trying to understand a bit more about EC technology and how it could be applied in data centres, principally for efficiency.
It was a privilege to be invited along to talk at the wonderful facility you've got here and share some of the learnings we've had from our clients and ways that we can improve data centre efficiency, because it's very much on the government map, so to speak. So everything we can do to support the industry that supports us, obviously we're keen to be involved.
I mean, people need to recognise that there's energy savings to be implemented, but they don't always see it as being that practical when it comes to working in the live data centre environment. So, as I say, it was a good forum for us to instil that confidence.
I mean, it's an opportunity for us as a manufacturer to engage with end customers as well as our OEM client base, and they also see the benefits of understanding why some of the technologies are being used, how they're being used. Maybe they didn't realise before the benefits to using some of the new technology, and it just gives them an opportunity to talk to us in a bit more detail about how it could help them selling their end product or help them in their data centres.
Yeah, I mean, we started out trying to educate our customers and end users on energy saving technology as far as ebm-papst are concerned, but we're now moving into a broader spectrum and looking at different market sectors and looking just generally at energy efficiency for the built environment, and I think that that's the way we're going to progress.
I got a great deal out of the other speakers. Particular of interest was the case study that went on and get some actual figures returned on that particular project, which is obviously a large crack unit project, and also to get feedback from the audience and see the sort of questions they're asking, the difficulties they're facing, so that we can best sort of adjust our solutions and our offerings to meet what they're after.
The data centre industry, as far as I'm concerned, is like a comet, a very bright tip that everyone can see, but an enormous tail, and in that enormous tail is 99.9% of the comet's mass, and you don't see the tail, and so most of the data industry is in the tail, and the ones you see at the front end are the exceptions. So you see at the front end the exceptions are Google and Facebook, and they are exceptions because they have unique loads. When I thought about coming here to talk to you about trends in data centres as far as variable speed drives are concerned, it could have been just a one slide presentation, and I could ask for questions, because the one slide is very easy. Without variable speed drives, and particularly fans, data centres would have a real problem in getting down to the sort of efficiencies that they're aiming for these days. In fact, it would be impossible.
A lot of these things can be very sales-led, and I think personally congratulations on not being too sales-led. You led us in very gently, it was very nice. But it started off very well with an overall description of the data centre world, the industry, where it's going, the developments that Ian Bitterlin gave to us, and then sort of going into more of the detail, going through the fan technology, into ultimately a full-blown sort of case study, a presentation on what actually happens in real life and what you can do with this technology in real life. So yeah, I think it's very nice, very well done.
I think it gives everyone reassurance, wherever the manufacturer is, and there are competitors that came today, that although they have the same products on the market, they all have a common goal to improve efficiencies within that market sector. I think it's a good club to be a member of, that you're all working towards the same goal, and you can see that everyone's pushing in the same direction rather than pulling in different directions.
It's a fantastic environment. It's a good place to see everything that's going on, and the types of guys and speakers that are involved are putting a good point of view and some good information forward. So it's a very good forum for educating.
It's been a great day. I think it's a great opportunity for different people from slightly different parts of the industry to talk about the issues that are important to us all.
Yeah, I think it was very informative. I think it very much did what it said on the tin. You were talking about fan technology, you were talking about data centre efficiency, and that's precisely what you offered. So it worked very well. Yeah.